There it is, interesting vegetables you can see, interesting vegetables with the beautiful diagram. Let us see, vegetables are obtained from the plants. We are obtaining it from the plants, yes. We are getting it from the plants, not from the trees. Vegetables we are getting from the plants. Plants are smaller. Some nutrients rich vegetables such as beetroot has good amount of iron and other minerals, magnesium and all. There is a turnip, spinach, cauliflower, etc. Everyone has different kind of, I said, nutrients, and they are obtained from, these are obtained from plants. So some nutrient rich vegetables, which are, we have seen nutrient rich vegetables, beetroot, turnip, spinach. Spinach has high amount of iron, cauliflower, etc. And we are getting all these nutrient rich vegetables from the plants. And we are also having roots. We are also eating sometimes roots, leaves and stems. So you know that there is no roots. We are eating also vegetables in the form of roots, like radish, carrot. We are eating their fruits. Beetroot is also roots. We are also eating leaves. Yes, we know coriander leaves. We have mint leaves. We have cabbage. Cabbage means gobi ka patta. And sometimes we are eating also stems of some plants are edible, means khane yogya. Edible means kha sakte hain, you can eat these stems also. So from the vegetable, how we are getting vegetables? We can have from the plants. From the plants we can have in the form of roots, in the form of leaves, or in the form of stems. Yes, the potato is also roots, yes or not? So, and from the leaves, roots, stems, we are getting some vegetable that we used to eat. Let us see about roots. What are the different types of roots that we are eating? Here, the roots, if you are eating, you can see that there is a carrot. Yes, is it okay? There is some kind of beetroot. You can say turnip and all. You can see, and we have so many different kind of, what I said, that roots that we used to eat. Is it okay? And vegetables that we are getting from the roots. So which are the I said roots as a vegetables we are getting? Radish, turnip, carrot, beetroot are some of the roots that are eaten as vegetables. Now in the food material source, the stems that we are eating as a vegetable, and here we can see that lemongrass and leek are the stems, that it is lemongrass and leek are, even we can say that we can have a lady finger, yes. So and even we have, I said, garlic related grass, these are the stems, and you can see several kind of pictures over there, and then go and check it out and try to remember in your mind, because in the coming classes it will be helpful for you, and you have lots of word power. So you have to find out the names of the stem vegetables, but for your exam point of view, these are the lemongrass, leek, you can say garlic stems, lady finger, these are the what you can remember. But if you know the name of most of this, I said that stems like potato and all, if you remember, then this word power will help you to enhance your what character, quality, knowledgeable person. That we are eating some leaves as vegetables, and these are spinach, cabbage, lettuce are the leaves that are eaten as vegetables. Spinach हम लोग जानते हैं, that is साग, cabbage, गोभी का पत्ता and all, and there is some lettuce, different American lettuce and so Roman lettuce. Different kind of lettuce का मतलब है जो कि आप बड़े बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में जाएंगे, you can be able to see the lettuce and then they will give you a salad. So it is in a little, generally in Indian, I said middle class family, the lettuce are not it is utilized. People are knowing about spinach and cabbage, लेकिन lettuce नहीं. लेकिन आप इसको भी याद रखें, it is little costly. Lettuce जो होता है थोड़ा costly होता है. We are also eating flowers of the plants, like we can see. There is I said that cauliflower, there is a broccoli, and there are cabbage kind of it. So it is also we are having, I said, some flowers of the plants we are eating. Broccoli, cauliflowers are the flowers eaten in the form of vegetables. Fruits. Let us see about the fruits. And it is very healthy for human being, and it is having good source of vitamins, good source of minerals, good source of minerals in the sense which is we need our in our body, a small amount of calcium, zinc, magnesium, and different small amount that it is it can be provided by the fruits. And here we can say the fruits are healthy source of food from plants. Like orange, it is good amount of that vitamin C it is there. There are other ingredients are there. Mango, apple, grapes are some of the fruits consumed by humans, and they contain good amount of different nutrients. You can see here lime, rambutan, pineapple, mango, peach, orange, mandarin, lemon, and so many other fruits that you used to eat. So these are the fruits. Try to also remember the name of the fruits and the name it.